wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding wheelchairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Invacare Tracer EX2 provides some of the same design elements as more expensive selections, such as dual axle positioning, but it does so at an affordable price. Since it weighs less than 40 pounds, it's relatively easy to pack into the trunk or cargo space of a vehicle. It comes with sturdy 14-gauge cross braces and full-length removable arms. However, it can't get through narrow doorways. At number 9, the wenzelite Wallaby Pediatric is equipped with flip-back arms that enable it to be rolled up to a table or desk. It meets federal standards for safe use on a school bus when combined with the headrest extension and H-harness that are sold separately by the manufacturer. It's equipped with a powder-coated steel frame and durable nylon upholstery, but adjusting the footrests is tricky. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Drive Medical Cruiser 3 has a carbon steel frame, maintenance-free mag-style wheels, and 3-position casters on the front to provide a smooth and stable ride. Room for custom back inserts and accessories means it can be a highly comfortable fit. It offers an adjustable seat depth and weighs just under 36 pounds. However, it's not the easiest to maneuver. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wheelchairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the battery-powered Pride Mobility Jazzy Passport enables you to get around at speeds of up to 3.5 miles per hour and is equipped with multiple storage compartments. Its swing-away joystick can be used in either a right or left-handed orientation. It includes rugged air-filled tires and a handy cup holder, but the footrest is thin plastic. Moving up our list to number 6, the thoughtfully designed Nova Lightweight Transport brings simplicity and ease of use to outings with a companion or caregiver. It offers low-profile 12-inch rear wheels, feather grip brakes on the handles, and flip-back armrests for convenient transfers. It includes an attached storage pouch and has a 300-pound carrying capacity. It performs well on uneven terrain. Halfway up our list at number 5, the newly redesigned Lite Cruiser HD DX12 will take you an impressive 20 miles when you add a second lithium-ion battery. It can be broken down into 3 pieces for easy portability, thanks to a patented quick-release feature. The controller mounts on either side, and it reclines to 5 positions. It won't mark carpets or hard floors. At number 4, in addition to its sturdy metal frame, the Nova Heavy Duty Transport offers an extra-wide seat, large rear wheels, and feather-touch locking brakes. Its removable padded arms help make a simple process out of transferring someone from a car, a bed, or a chair. It comes with non-skid foot plates, an adjustable seat belt, and comfortable hand grips. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the loop-style handbrakes on the Medline Transport are easy to operate and highly useful for locking the rear wheels during transfers. Its compact design means it's a cinch to lift into the trunk of a car or carry upstairs. It features a tight turning radius and full-length armrests. It's an affordable choice too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wheelchairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the aluminum Drive Medical Flylight is indeed lightweight yet strong and comes with a securely locking lap belt and a handy pocket for personal items. It's equipped with 6-inch casters on the front and 8-inch ones on the back, along with height-adjustable footrests. There are 3 attractive color options, all backed by a lifetime warranty. It's good value for the price. And taking the top spot on our list, for powerful portable mobility, the Forcemech Voyager R2 boasts a range of up to 16 miles on a full charge. It features shock-absorbing springs on the front for a smooth ride and rear reflective lights for visibility at night. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, dual 200-watt brushless motors, and a detachable joystick controller. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wheelchairs, or simply click beneath this video.